back to my channel. My name's Pierre and this is Simple Homebrew. It's a Brimstone IPA that I made. I got the recipe from online and I tweaked it a little bit, changed it a little bit, made a few different adjustments, and it turns out to be one of the best beers that I've ever made. Link up here if you want to see me making it. If you want to know more about it, stick around. So, as you saw in the start of this, me pouring this beer from my tap for the 10th time so far. I've been drinking this for about a week now, and it was or is phenomenal. The hops come through beautifully. I did a dry hop at the end of that, about day 6, day 7, something like that. I dropped in a heap of dry hops, so it's about 150 grams. And they are throwing themselves through this beer really nicely. Almost not really citrusy, but just nicely balanced. Malty, as you can see, it's just kind of a dark hue. It's a bit cloudy. I didn't put a clearing agent in it, which I thought I'd try, but I didn't. Carbonation is probably, for me, I think it's spot on. I carbonated that at 30 pounds of 30 psi for about 4 days, and then turned it right down, and I'm serving it at about 5 psi now, and that that's keeping it down. It's really good. It's actually coming across nicely. It's got a good hoppy smell, rustic flavouring, not the rustic flavour I've talked about in the past. Now the sun's just come out, so I'm going to change the ISO here. It's pretty bright now. Bring it back down a little. Is that a bit better? That's a bit better. No, I had to change the ISO. Sorry, mate. Sorry, guys. It's the sun's come out. It's been dark all day. We haven't had rain or anything like that, but it's been pretty dreary. Anyway, we're about to taste it. Now, I know how this tastes. I've already done it, but I'm going to give you an insight on how I feel about this beer. It's mildly bitter. It's got around about 25 to 30 IBU, and it's quite nice. Before, when I did it, probably 2 weeks ago, I tasted it. It was a sharp, bitter flavour. It was the hop burn that I've been taught about, and it was a little bit strong, but now it's just beautifully mellowed out. A very clean flavour, a very, kind of, like I said, rustic, but not rustic ugly. Nice rustic taste, no burnt tastes, great hoppy scent, beautiful beer. Like I said, this is my favourite so far. I've done a dolly. I did the dolly the other day, a while back. Now the dolly was beautiful, beautiful recipe, great beer, really cloudy IPA. Was there any IPA, I believe, and it's quite strong. This is just more balanced and nicer tasting. Now, I made this one once before, and it kind of smacked you in the teeth a little bit last time. I had to turn the water valve off. It just hums and makes a bit of a noise, and it's probably annoying with you guys. So yeah, this, I'll tell you now, if you can grab the recipe, I'll leave a link down below for the grandfather recipe. Give it a go. It's a beautiful beer, and if you like IPAs, and Brimstone IPA is the one I really, really enjoy. I'm going to make this again because I really like it. Very tasty. Bit of sweetness to it. Nice hoppy aroma. A beautiful fruity flavour, not overly overbearing. Still tastes like a beer, and very strong in flavour. Really, really prominent. Now, chucking in salts when I did the beer has made a huge difference to my beering. So now, my beer making, now my beers are coming out like really like professional made beers. It's starting to become, I'm not feeling daunted anymore. I'm starting to realise that these beers are actually good, and I'm getting good. So I'm getting good at it. So now, this year coming up, I'm going to try and start entering competitions, creating beers that I would like to see if I actually am creating quality. But this is a great beer. I'm very happy with it. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you click on the information up here, that will bring you to the video of me making this video, beer. And video. And very nice. You guys, give it a go. It's a beautiful beer. It's spot on. It's probably my favourite so far. Cheers guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.